How to turn off Google Maps location history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off Google Maps location history. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as your timeline. And now here, once you are inside timeline section, what you can do is you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on location and privacy settings. And now here, once you are inside the section at the top, you'll see the option labeled as timeline. So here you simply have to tap on it. And now here on the next section, you simply have to scroll down, and there under timeline, you'll see the button labeled as turned off. So simply tap on it, and now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on turn off. And that's it. That's how you can turn off Google Maps location history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.